How's it going, everybody? We're getting out today with the T100 again, but got a slight breeze, and I got this modified line on here that I just made up, and it's regular old Dacron that I've been using in 20 pound, but at the same time I have submersed it in a bunch of bowstring wax and worked it into it to make it a little bit more stiff and rigid, also giving it a more amount of weight due to the wax. And we're going to see if we can use it to work a little bit better and smoother in this wind, and maybe hopefully catch something. Let's see if we can do something. All right, so let's just go ahead and get the spool off of there. We'll put the rod cap somewhere concealed away where I am not going to lose it. And we'll get this leader. This is one of my normal homemade leaders that's done in 3 sections. I tip it down here at the bottom. If it's a 4x rod, it's 4, 2, and 0x. And if it's a 5x, it goes 1, 3, 5. What's up, man? I always make that loop as small as I can before I get ready to tighten her down here. And I run my Lillian through there twice, slipping that knot up and making sure you're staying behind the knot on your Lillian. That is for certain. Okay, and we'll start telescoping her out, and we'll get in there. Nice and easy. If we have to, we'll pull out an indicator and put it on there later. Well, there's a nice little breeze picking up. Wonderful. Look at that fish. Oh boy. That's a nice rainbow. Big girl. Big girl. Come on. In the net, one-handed. Oh boy. What a fish. What a fish. Man. Woo. She's gassed. Gassed up. 12. And oh boy. 12 and almost 8. 19 or so. What a beautiful fish. What a beaut. Oh boy. I don't even know how that happened, but we got it. Can't believe it. Fairy bee for the win on the T100. Oh boy. Oh, such a big, beautiful fish she is. Wow. Man. Later, lady. What a fish. Cool. Well, there we go, catching a fish right by your feet on some rod without a reel. Now I'm hooked in the tree over here. Well, T100 did what it's good at, catching big fish. That leader combination I use makes it easy to land the fish one-handed without having to use your hand on the line. Once your hand is on the line, the rod's useless. So it don't matter how good your rod is, if you got 40 foot of line and your hand reeling everything in. These rods work better, cast better, with the right amount of line. Well, thank you all for watching this short video of me using the T100 to catch another nice size fish today. Unreal luck right there. Can't believe it. This rod's so pretty. I just wish it was always longer. Well, either way, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.